An ice cream cone serves as the foundational structure for the simulated volcano. Baking soda is introduced into the cone to act as the primary reactant. Food coloring is added to the baking soda to simulate the visual effect of lava. Dish soap is the final ingredient, which will create the eruption effect when combined with an acid. The baking soda and vinegar reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide rapidly expands, creating pressure within the confined space. The increased pressure forces the foamy mixture to erupt, simulating a volcanic eruption. This demonstration visually represents the principles of chemical reactions and gas expansion. The eruption's color and foam are due to the indicators and surfactants present in the mixture. The reaction between an acid and a base produces gas, water, and a salt. The experiment culminates in a visually appealing eruption from the ice cream cones. Each cone features a different color of simulated lava, creating a rainbow effect. The simultaneous eruptions enhance the excitement and visual impact of the experiment's finale. This safe and fun science experiment demonstrates principles in an engaging manner. The rainbow volcano effect provides a memorable and educational conclusion. The visual spectacle underscores the enjoyable nature of scientific exploration.